So preparations here, number one, from alcohols. From alcohols. Okay, in that first method, the reaction with the Lucas reagent. Reaction with the halogen acids. Halogen acids mean hydrogen halides. Reaction with the HI mean HX, hydrogen, okay na? Hydrogen halides. Hydrogen halides, HCl, HBr like that, okay? So here, first I am writing, this is the alcohol. This is a primary alcohol, okay? Here I am writing the reagent. Reagent equal to, that is anhydrous zinc chloride, anhydrous zinc chloride plus HCl. This reagent is called as Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent. In the presence of HCl, if you use HBr, HA also, we can use it, but they are not considered Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent means zinc chloride and also HCl. HCl only should present, okay? So here the reaction, if you see, so this is a primary alcohol. 1 degree alcohol, primary alcohol. Okay, now these are primary alcohols. So when this can be react with zinc chloride in the presence of HCl, anhydrous zinc chloride in the presence of HCl, Lucas reagent if you use, the simply here OH is displaced by chlorine. OH is displaced by chlorine and also water is the byproduct. Okay, so this is a turbidity. Turbidity slowly, very slowly. Okay, now very slowly form. Turbidity very slowly form. The rate is slow reaction, very slow reaction. Okay, na? So primary alcohols gives alkyl halides, but the rate of the reaction is very slow, negligible rate. Okay, the turbidity means powder. Okay, na, which is formed as powder form. Next, if you take secondary alcohol, if you take, this is a 2 degree alcohol. If 2 degree alcohol will react with the same anhydrous reagent, so it is somewhat fast. It is very slow. It is slow. Okay, now. And the turbidity mean alkyl halide. This is primary alkyl chloride. Primary alcohol gives primary alkyl halide. So next to RHCl. Turbidity formed after 5 minutes. Turbidity form after 5 minutes. Turbidity form after 5 minutes. Okay. The byproduct is water. This is primary alkyl chloride. This is secondary alkyl chloride. Okay. Secondary alkyl chloride. 2 degree alkyl chloride. This is 1 degree. 1 degree alkyl chloride. Okay, so primary alkyl halides are very slow reactions and secondary alkyl halides are fast reaction. And if you take tertiary alkyl halide, 3 degree alcohol, 3 degree alcohol if you use Lucas reagent, okay na, anhydrous ZnCl2 plus HCl if you use, then it can be very fast reaction. Okay na, immediately form turbidity immediately. Turbidity means powdered. Turbidity immediately form. This is very fast, very fast. So tertiary alkyl halides are fastly react. Tertiary alkyl halides are fastly reacting. Okay. So turbidity immediately form. This is a 3-degree alkyl chloride or tertiary alkyl halide. So tertiary alkyl chloride. Tertiary alkyl chloride. So the Lucas reagent, alcohols are reacting with different rates. Primary alcohols very slowly react. Turbidity is very slowly formed or almost negligible reaction rate, or sometimes not react. Okay, now after heating only they are react, primary alcohols. And secondary alcohols can react slowly. Okay, now turbidity formed after 5 minutes. And tertiary alcohols very fastly react, very fastly react, and turbidity immediately formed. The tertiary alkyl chloride is fastly formed, right? So this is about reaction with Lucas reagent. In the presence of HCl, you can take HX, HBr, HI also. But Lucas reagent is considered as HCl with zinc chloride and hydrous only, right? So in this method, if you Lucas reagent use, that is also called as Groves process. Okay, that is called. This is also called as Groves process. Groves process. Groves process. If anhydrous zinc chloride HCl, if you use, that process is called a Groves process. Here reactivity, if you see, tertiary alcohols more react. 3-degree alcohols highly react than 2-degree alcohols. Then after 1-degree alcohol. Okay, now the reason endukante ikkada intermediate is carbocation. Okay, na, because carbocation intermediate. Carbocation intermediate form అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి tertiary carbocation more stable కాబట్టి tertiary alcohols fastly react. And hydrogen halides చూస్తే HI is highly react than HBr, then after HCl, then after HF. Okay, now we can use HCl, but compared to HCl, HI, HBr is very highly reactive, right? So next so this is the method of preparation of different alkyl halides. Okay, now with Lucas reagent. Okay, right. Next